Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you simple recipe with great benefits for the skin. Simple mask for glowing and shiny skin. There is no doubt about the versatility of an egg in the kitchen. It also turns out that in natural cosmetics it can be used just as much. An egg is a miracle ingredient in our homemade cosmetics. It's mainly found in face and hair care. Did you know that an egg is an excellent source of omega acids and a complete protein with a high amino acid contents that the human body is unable to produce on its own? In addition, it's a real source of vitamins A, B, D, E, and K. The yolk also contains mineral salts like zinc, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, sodium, sulfur, and iron. But that's not all. There are also ingredients such as lutein, lecithin, and beta-carotene. Together, these components create a magical blend in the service of beauty. They strengthen the skin, hair, and nails. There is a lot of benefits of using yogurt on your face. Yogurt's creamy texture is thought to help lock in moisture in your skin, brighten the skin, tone in, increased elasticity, reduced fine line and wrinkles, fight acne, and treat skin infection. Olive oil provides deep hydration, reduces inflammation, gently exfoliates, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, protects against the sun's UV rays, reduces puffiness and swelling, and helps soothe dry or irritated skin. Flour can combat several skin concerns. It works efficiently on your skin, providing you with the brightest glow ever. Helps combat acne, controls oil production, removes dirt, brightens the skin, fights dark spot, cures dry and flaky skin, eliminates blackheads and whiteheads, prevents early signs of aging. Well, let's get started with this magic recipe that contains lots of benefits. All we need here is 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of flour. Mix all the ingredients together. Clean your face before applying this mask. Apply it over your face and neck and gently massage with your fingers for 3 minutes. And then leave it for about 25 minutes. And rinse with warm water and with cold water to close pores. Try this twice a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.